In our modern homes, a puja room is not just a tradition, it's a space for grounding and calm. In the chinna space, every element has purpose and dignity. I find real calm and mental peace only here. Ador inner connection madri, and each has its own power, purpose, and presence. Lakshmi Devinga, not just Dhanam, but calmness and harmony. Sai Baba, he is beyond religion, a symbol of pure bhakti. Ellaரையும் connect பண்ற universal guru. Shivalingam, the symbol of eternal energy. முருகர், strength and clarity ஓட symbol. வாராகி அம்மன், அம்மா அவங்களோட presence is pure strength. விநாயகர், எல்லா பொது ஆரம்பத்துக்கும் அவர் blessing முக்கியம். This isn't just a space of rituals, it's a space that holds our prayers, our hopes, and our everyday gratitude. உங்களுக்கும் வீட்டில் ஒரு பூஜா கார்னர் இருந்தால் cherish it. And if you're planning one, make it meaningful.